On this Wednesday. We're getting a little closer to Friday here, Jeff.
A little closer. That's optimistic. It's Wednesday. Time lapse, we go. We'll start there. And you can see it was a beautiful morning as we look across downtown Fort Worth. And across the day, hardly a cloud. In fact, not a cloud in this shot. It was blue sky all day. That allowed for temperatures to warm up to the mid-80s, another day above normal temperatures. You might have noticed this. The dew points are in the 60s. A little bit more humid air is in place. It's been last couple of days. Of course, it's all about Hurricane Delta, another hurricane in the Gulf this season. It crossed over the Yucatan Peninsula today as a Category 2 hurricane when it came on shore at Cozumel and on the island there and then in Cancun. So far this year, keep in mind, we've had 9 hurricanes and 5 of them, or at least, 3 of them here right in the Gulf between Gulf Shores and South Padre have landed, including Lori, which was the strongest hurricane to come on shore in the U.S. this year. And it looks like that Delta is going to come on shore very close where Lori did back earlier this summer. And the forecast tracks, the various computer models that we use to help guide where we think this storm will come on shore, very tightly packed. So it looks like Louisiana will take a direct blow. The storm surge could get somewhere to 5 to 11 feet. And of course, with the wind damage and the tremendous rains, it is going to be a rough Friday because that's when the storm arrives, Friday afternoon and Saturday morning, full effect. Now, all the sunshine here, you see the clouds from the approaching storm still way to our southeast. Now, this picks up on Thursday, and we talk about our rain chances in North Texas from Hurricane Delta. Well, as we get into late Thursday into Friday morning, we're going to start seeing some of the rain bands, and we think from Anderson County over into our eastern edge, we could see some rain, and sometimes some heavy rain at that. I believe it stays out of the Metroplex, but some clouds, a few passing showers, maybe just on the eastern edge of the Metroplex over in Kaufman County, Rockwall County. As we get into the afternoon hours, you see the hurricane coming on shore, probably still a hurricane Saturday morning, a Cat 1, and you can see how close it is to DFW, but again, just some cloud cover from that as the storm will go and race into the Tennessee Valley. Interesting to note that, we're a week into October. This is the second wettest month of a year on record, and as we take a look at the next 7 days into the middle of October, we look to see rain in our eastern counties. All the big rain from Hurricane Delta, the 5 to 8 inches of rain will be well off to our east. So our hour-by-hour forecast tomorrow is dry. We're going to be into the mid-80s, not a whole lot of wind. And your weekend forecast looks warm. I mean, we're going to be 90 on Saturday, 93 on Sunday, and very windy. The 7-day forecast does show a cold front coming in early Monday for Columbus Day, and we can see temperatures get knocked quite a bit down into the 70s on another windy day, but that wind will be out of the north and the humidity will be dropping. We are talking about some small rain chances on Tuesday and Wednesday, but Ken, they look small.